welcome to Frosting Friday. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to do the 1M border around the bottom of our cake today. I will walk you through it and show you guys how to make this fun border to liven up your cake. The key to making this border look like a shell border is you have to lift up with your piping bag and you tip, lift up, pull it away, do like a little arch, and then come back. All right, guys, there we have it. Cute shell 1M border. Okay, so we're gonna take this cute 1M border one step further today. We're gonna do a double border. I've been seeing this around a lot, so we're gonna just go for it. We're gonna start actually where we started before, and it's the same thing. Remember, you have to arch so that it gets that cute shell look. Just making sure you're arching and then letting go, releasing your pressure. And that will make the shell a cute border. There we have it, our double border on the bottom of our cake. These are starting to become super popular and I love it. Thanks for joining me today on Frosting Friday as we made this fun 1M border on the bottom of our cake. Like I said, these borders are becoming more and more popular and the double border is becoming a hugely popular thing. Super fun. I hope you guys had fun watching. Can you guys tell what this cake is gonna be decorated as? I will let you watch as I finish making it, guys. Thank you for hanging out with me today.